Today I'm going to teach you how to check and verify products from the FDA website. So if you want to make sure that a certain product is FDA registered or FDA notified bago nyo gamitin, then you just go to this website. And then sa upper left-hand corner, meron dyang yung 3 lines, yung drop-down menu. I-click nyo lang siya. And this will appear. So, i-browse down nyo lang siya hanggang sa makita nyo yung Certificate of Product Registration. And also dito naman ay Notified Products. So, ano bang pinagkaiba ng CPR at CPN? So, kung iti-check nyo ay mga drug products, food products. So, yung sa food products, kasama din dyan yung supplements ha. So, yung mga supplements na madalas nyong bilhin sa TikTok, yung mga collagen, gluta, yung mga no-approved therapeutic claims under siya ng food products. So sila ay CPR ang kinukuha sa mga products na yan, product registration. While in cosmetics naman, it's only notification. So makikita nyo dun sa baba, cosmetic product notification. So let's say meron kayong gustong i-check na cosmetic products or skincare. So i-click nyo lang siya, cosmetic product notification. And then this page will appear. And then dito sa search box, i-type nyo lang yung keywords, yung name ng product or yung brand, and then i-click nyo lang yung search. So just for example, isa-search natin itong Glow Bomb ng Rix Skincerity. So after ko siyang i-type and i-search, ayan, nag-appear na lahat ng may mga keywords na Glow Bomb. Scroll to the left to see the other details para makita nyo kung alin dyan yung hinahanap nyo at ma-open nyo yung tamang file. And then you can click view para makita nyo yung buong details ng product notification. And ayan na siya, mag-a-appear na siya dyan. Nandyan yung registration number, yung product name, yung brand name, and then also the company, yung issuance date, and kung kailan siya may expire. Usually, before ma-expire ito, nire-renew yan ng company. That's also why minsan marami kayong makikitang entries doon kapag nag-search kayo kasi yung mga naunang entries, yung mga nasa baba, is yun yung mga expired na and then nire-renew nila and ni-register again. Now, for example, supplement naman yung titingnan natin. Okay? So, supplement, no approved therapeutic claims. So, i-click natin dito sa under ng CPR, food products. Example, hanapin natin ang registration ni Metathione. Click search. And eto yung kumpletong details niya. The registration number, company, product name, brand name, and also yung dates kung kailan ni-register, and yung expiry date. After you search and nothing appears or it shows like no results found, then it means hindi naka-register yung product. But of course, before nyo i-assume na hindi nga siya naka-register, make sure na tama yung spelling ng pagkakatype nyo. Also, itry nyo rin yung ibang possible keywords. Bukod dun sa brand name, also yung name, exact name ng product, or let's say the company name. But according to FDA regulations, dapat talaga kung ano yung eksaktong product name, yun din yung i-register doon. So it should appear as it is kung paano siya nag-a-appear doon sa product packaging. Now, you know how to check it. Hindi nyo na kailangan tanungin yung mga TikTok affiliates or yung mga sellers, FDA registered po ba? FDA notified po ba? You can do it yourself because meron sa kanila sasabihin, oo, naka-register daw or naka-notify. Pero hindi naman pala, license to operate pa lang yung nakukuha ng company.